Ford is officially laying the groundwork for the return of one of its most legendary muscle cars, the 2026 Mustang Shelby GT500. Recent prototype sightings near Ford's Dearborn, Michigan headquarters have given enthusiasts a first glimpse at what's to come. Though these test cars share their bones with the current Mustang Dark Horse, subtle but significant upgrades hint at a much more powerful machine in development. At first glance, the body appears familiar, but there's more happening underneath. The front fascia has been completely reworked, featuring larger mesh grills, massive air intakes, and expanded radiator openings, all clearly designed to manage the heat of a high-output engine, likely a supercharged V8. The front wheel arches have also been reshaped to accommodate wider, performance-oriented tires, while the rear end wears camouflage, signaling redesigned panels or aerodynamics yet to be revealed. Further clues come from the wheel setups. Some prototypes ride on standard wheels from the outgoing GT500, while others sport carbon fiber wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 or tires, a combination previously reserved for the GT500's top-tier track package. The standard wheels now use Pirelli P0 or rubber, a switch from the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. For comparison, the Mustang Dark Horse uses Pirelli Trofeo RS tires, also built for serious track performance. While the current prototypes closely resemble the Dark Horse, the final production GT500 is expected to look more aggressive, with a unique grille, reshaped hood, and a full aero package to improve high-speed stability and downforce. One fun detail spied on these test cars is a cartoon mule sticker on the fender, Ford's playful way of marking development vehicles. Adding fuel to the fire is a leaked UAW memo that briefly surfaced online. It mentioned a new engine being developed at Ford's Dearborn engine plant, codenamed Legend. This could point to an all-new powertrain, or a major evolution of the existing 5.2L supercharged V8. The last GT500 produced 760 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque, and it's expected that the new model will meet or exceed those numbers, especially with the rumored upgrades in cooling, aerodynamics, and tire technology. With a target launch set for 2026, the next generation Shelby GT500 promises to be more than just a revival. It's a bold evolution of Ford's performance legacy. Track-tuned, street-legal, and unmistakably Mustang, the GT500 is poised to once again dominate the world of American muscle. Thanks for watching.